Hi, this is John from Premiere Pro Classes, and this tutorial is about how to add a caption track to your sequence. It's super cool, super easy. Let me show you how. So here I built a very simple sequence, and let's say that I'm done with it, and now I want to add my caption track. If you go to your window here, you can go to your text console if it's not open already, and if you go to transcript, you can see that it's already transcribed your sequence. And if I click on the sections of transcript, it takes my playhead to that part of the sequence. So it's easy to sort of go through it, check out how everything's spelled and everything. But it's probably easier just to put the caption track in. So if I go to captions and I say create captions from transcript, I usually leave them at the default, but you can play around with the controls here. And so I'm just going to say, I'm going to close this out. I'm just going to say create captions. And right away it creates a caption track. And as I scroll through, I can see my captions are there. Now it's not always 100% correct, so it's always good to go through your sequence. And let's say that I'm running through this. Say this word was spelled wrong, I would just go in there and correct it, even though it was spelled right, and click off and I can play it again. So basically going through my whole sequence like that until I correct everything and all my captions are correct. Sometimes I like to close the gaps too, so it gives people more time to read the captions. That's just my preference. Also, if I think that there's too much in one box or I want to change something, I can always go into a caption here. If I double click it, it'll highlight the caption that I'm on. And I could split this box in half and put those captions in two boxes instead. So here I split it in half, so now I have double the caption here. So if I wanted to, I could take this line out of here, and I can take this line out of here, and I've split those captions into two. And also you can add captions the same way. So I hope that explains a simple way to put captions on. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Like or subscribe. See you next time.